head of hair in everyone's future? A revolutionary transplant process offers new hope.
It's definitely put a little extra zip in my step.
No scarring, fast and pain-free. We comb through the claims.
The News Hour tomorrow.
Thinning, bald, is that what's happening to your hair? I'm Mina Ree. Coming up on News Hour, breakthrough technology that allows hair transplantation. No scalpel, no scars.
Just ahead, a new transplant procedure is helping people obtain a fuller head of hair, one hair at a time. We'll show you how this new treatment is different from the others in just 90 seconds.
Welcome back. Hair loss is a problem for both men and women. For some, the solution has been a hair transplant. However, they are expensive and they can leave bad scars.
But a new type of hair transplant is changing all that, one hair at a time. Mina Ree has more, but first a warning, some of the video is graphic.
Very excited about round two.
Not many patients walk into the OR with a smile on their faces, but Scott Waring knows the hair transplant procedure he's about to undergo will be pretty much pain-free. Surgeons call the NEOGRAFT a game changer, the newest device in the war against hair loss. One at a time, hair follicles are sucked out into a reservoir.
It's very much like reforestation. We're taking little seedlings from the back and uprooting them from their roots one at a time rather than doing strip logging.
In the past, you would only take hair from the back of your head because of the large scar that would result. But with this technology, technically you could take hair from your back, the chest, virtually any part of the body, and then inject it back on the top of your head.
That big cut at the back was stitched or stapled together, and that left a scar that often spread because it was under tension, so it would be wide.
Local anesthesia is injected before tiny holes are poked into thinning areas.
And then press the foot pedal, and the little piston pushes it in.
The living follicles take root and grow back as healthy new hair.
And you can color it and cut it and swim, ride horses. I can't wait.
This will scab off.
That'll scab off. That's where we put it. Where you take it, you can't see that within 24 to 40 hours, so it's invisible.
The absence of scalpels and staples means no unsightly scar with the NEOGRAFT, which will make hair transplantation a more viable option for females.
What does that feel like?
I can't really feel anything. It feels maybe like somebody putting a felt tip marker.
Price is comparable to other methods, ranging from $5,000 to $10,000 to restore an area like this. But since the NEOGRAFT can be done in stages, it offers patients flexibility depending on their budgets.
Especially after, 4 years of cancer treatment, it's definitely put a little extra zip in my step.
Mina Ree, Global News.